thinks he's giving my dirt back away. Be careful! Old Hairy Neck over here is about to kill himself on this dirt bike. We got to give it away pronto, which means Black Friday, November 16th, Monday through Cyber Monday, November 30th. Every $100 order gets entered in a drawing to win this dirt bike. You get to come to Radiator Ranch to pick it up. You're gonna meet the crew, ride Boone, pick up the dirt bike. You'll be in a Rodeo Time episode. And it's 20% off, so you're already getting 20% off, and you're entered to win a dirt bike and hang out with Dale Brisby. Are you ready for the grand finale? You said you're ready?
Yes! Yes, we're ready.
That's what I'm talking about, little son! Woo! Woo! Radio time! Woo-hoo! Oh, I need some preparation H up in here.